Fall backwards. Hi, I'm the Rifter, and this is incredibly stupid and my nightmare. Started a new job today. I work from home. Whew. Best day of the year to do it. Oh, ice storm. As you can see, hopefully I don't fall. It's quite an ice storm. Whoop. Had to dodge a branch. If you guys are out traveling today, be careful. Sorry I'm out of breath, but I'm fat. Now that I work from home, I have to go out and exercise. So anyway, 433 people subscribed. Thank you. Sorry this isn't stabilized. Hopefully I'll have that fixed soon whenever the mail runs again. Anyway, my hand's cold, so I'm putting it back in my pocket. But you should start seeing more videos soon. I'm getting pelted by sleet. Again, thanks for watching. Bye.